What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Prince Chuline back again with another YouTube video, back again with another one, you feel me? And today I'm going to be talking about some of the things I'm doing right now. Proms, weddings, bat mitzvahs, church events, anything. I got you. I do photography and videography right now. I'm going to college this year. I'm trying to make money in college, doing some entrepreneurship and taking on entrepreneurship. I'm majoring in business management and minoring in music. I'm trying to get some things together. I'm working doing photography for Off the Block Records and Alapac Records right now. You guys can check my channel, not my channel, my Instagram page. I have some photos posted already, like some of the photography that I've done. If you guys need weddings or proms right now, because proms are really this is prom season right now, prom and graduation season right now, and wedding season, you know, summer, whether it's in Jamaica, whether it's in Atlanta. I might be flown out to Atlanta for a wedding. Let's see how things go. And I also fixed my hoverboard so that I can get clean shots and angles when I have my glide cam doing videography or photography. And I'll be blasting music from Alapac Records and Off the Block Records, of course. There's supposed to be a vlog that I'm going to Alapac Records and showing the studio and like having a little riff off or whatever with Alapac Records, and I'm showing the finished product of the studio being built at Off the Block Records soon. That's coming soon, you feel me? A lot of things are getting done, you know. Graduation is coming up, you feel me? And I'll be graduating June 18th, you feel me? And prom is June 12th. Probably gonna vlog that, pop out if anything, you feel me? And there's probably gonna be like a barbecue bash for my graduation party or whatever. And what else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, I got accepted into multiple schools, but I'm going to SUNY Delhi because of course prices and a lot more things. I didn't want to go for a Christian education because I feel like I wanted to challenge, like explore different options. I didn't want to see the same people every day, same crowd. I didn't want that. Of course, I wanted to branch out, of course, and just let messages touch different people, feel me? Because of course I'm still Christian. I want to preach the gospel, of course, get my message out there, get God's message out there, you feel me? And of course this is my little outfit for proms or whatever, so that I look professional while I'm out there talking to different people, mingling, networking, so that my business can get up there. I have my business cards ready. You guys see the business logo in the background, you feel me? Making it big, doing big things, you feel me? Clout chasing, clout gang, you feel me? Yeah, hopefully I can meet DDG or somebody in the YouTube community, probably get to the higher ups or whatever, and just get up there, you feel me? And I'm part of Wave Gang, feel me? Wave Gang. Feel me, with the curls in the back. A lot of people are cutting their hair to get waves. I will be dropping the video after this. You probably might see this in the intro because, you know, I'm trying to make the same video, well, 2 videos in like one day. So I'm doing the intro for the wave video right now. And yeah, that's how the waves are spinning right now. The waves are spinning. A lot of people are cutting their hair to get waves, and you don't need to do that, feel me? So something regular, you feel me? And I'm just trying to be productive, you feel me? Can't knock productivity. So I'm just trying to make it big, got the piano in the cut, feel me? Just trying to work. I'm trying to get my working papers. Well, I'm supposed to be giving my giving like the finished working papers and everything, so I can get the finalized, so I can work this summer and then just go to college and do photos in college and do little piano gigs or whatever, if anything. Yeah, play for churches if anything, because I have been called to play for many churches and I've been turning them down because I had a whole bunch of school stuff to do and just different things, you feel me? I've been taxed. I've been taxed out, you feel me? Yeah, so let's get this thing done. Trooper Gang, Trooper Squad. Click that notification bell to be alerted every time I post, so you guys can know what's popping, what's happening, you feel me? And just stay subscribed. Subscribe, share, let people know what's happening so that I can get up there one day, you feel me? Yeah. So, Trooper Gang, Trooper Squad. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calmly, 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 calmly. Whoa. I've been in the stew for the past few, I'm cooking. Been in the rules, bills is past due, so we jugging. Ain't gonna lose, gotta keep shit running, do what it do. Running for this money, I've been in the stew for the past few, I'm cooking. Been in the rules, bills is past due, so we jugging.